Hi guys, so welcome back to Cold with Mousree, and it's me, Mousree. So today I'm going to share with you that I have made a Happy New Year scratch for there is a studio to say thank you 2021 and welcome 2022. By the way, it's not now 2022, but it's going to 2022 at 34th. So at one thing. So let's see. I made a wrapping. So if don't care about the music because I just got it from Google. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, go.
Happy New Year scratch.
Okay, so you've seen it. It will be forever while playing the grip, and I thought that music is a bit funny for this project. I'm not telling. I'm not meaning.
Happy New Year scratch.
I'm not telling.
Flaming made that joint.
Okay, guys. Now let's see how to make and use the code. Well, I hope that you can see me. Hey, this is the code of the Sprite one. I'm going to tell you which is Sprite one. Okay, and let's see about the site code. So this is the site code. I uploaded the song from Google. Actually, sorry, I can't give you the link. So here it is, and let's see about the costumes. Okay, so yeah, it's me. So there is costume 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 types of costume and all has different colors, and I got the light to dark colors, not only dark colors. I just make it a little bit glaze. Okay, maybe you can't see me. Yeah. Okay, now let's see about the New Year. Right then, New Year. So I got this image from the gift from Google. And again, there are 23 costumes. Okay, and I can't give you obviously the link because it's Google. Yeah, I can give you. Okay, now here is when this is the code. I don't make it another message. I just used only this message, and it is in my whole idea. Wow. So guys, bye guys. I hope you enjoyed. If you enjoyed, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And well, yeah, we have to be all safe because it's a time. We all know this COVID-19 situation. So
Happy New Year scratch. Flaming made that joint.
Okay friends, so bye friends, bye.